OneStream's MCP agentic layer goes GA, finance agents get audit trails. Finance is where AI agents fail first. If you can't audit the answer, you can't deploy it. OneStream says its Finance Agentic Layer is now generally available, using MCP to bring governed access, permissions, and audit trails into external AI assistants. Finance is where AI agents go to die, because if you can't audit the answer, you can't ship it. OneStream says it just made its Finance Agentic Layer generally available, using MCP so external AI assistants can interact with finance data with permissions and an audit trail. Most teams start with AI summaries. Finance starts with accountability. If a CFO asks why did margin move, a useful answer needs the exact source data, the logic used, and who was allowed to see what. Without receipts, AI doesn't speed up decisions, it creates rework and risk. OneStream's framing is, agents are happening everywhere, ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, but those tools don't understand your chart of accounts, your hierarchies, or your business rules. Their pitch is a layer that translates business questions into the right finance objects, enforces permissions, and logs what happened, even when the question starts outside OneStream. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, was introduced as an open standard for connecting AI assistants to the systems where data lives. Think of it as a standardized plug. Instead of building a custom integration for every tool, you speak one protocol. A concrete example described in coverage: a leader asks an external assistant for trends, variances, and forecast projections, and the assistant retrieves governed reports through the finance layer, then produces an executive summary. The key is not the summary. The key is the paper trail, permissions, traceback, and what data and logic were used. Important caveat: these are product claims, not an audited study. Before you trust a finance agent layer, ask, does it inherit RBAC from the system of record, is the audit log complete end-to-end, and can you reproduce the answer deterministically? And what actions, if any, can the agent take beyond reading and summarizing? Here's the operator takeaway: don't buy Finance AI as a chat feature. Buy it as a governed system. Require RBAC inheritance, audit logs you can export, and trace back to the exact data and logic. If a vendor can't show those 3 receipts, it's not deployable, it's a demo.